So after time taken in seconds, we need to take the inlet pressure head. So that is capital H equal to pressure gauge reading into 10. So you'll get it in 10 meters, sorry, in meters of water. So H equal to P into 10 in meters of water. Okay. So please copy all these things. We need all these things for the calculation of the remaining tabular column. Okay, can I go for the next slide? So next we need to calculation of these parts. So we know already Q actual, that is A into H by T. After that we have theoretical velocity P TH equal to under root of 2GH. Actual velocity V actual equal to Q actual by A. So where A is the cross-sectional area of the jet. Next coefficient of velocity CV equal to V actual by V theoretical. Next theoretical force by jet of water, that is W theoretical equals to rho A V theoretical square. At last we have coefficient of impact CI equal to W actual by W. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the tabular column. So we are going to calculate the remaining things. Okay, so the initial reading W actual, this is 850 grams. We need to change this into Newton. So 850 grams in terms of meters already we have calculated. That's it. That is 8.338. Okay, this is in Newton. Let me write like this, guys. 850. Okay, let it be like this. 850 grams is equals to 8.338 meters. Okay. So in the first reading, so when you are taking the first reading, so we are going to get the pressure from the pressure gauge. So what we are getting is 0.6 kg per centimeter square. So for the first reading, when you see the jet plate moving up, the pressure was 0.6 kg per centimeter square. Next, always this H will be equal to 10. So 10 centimeters rise in the collecting tank. And now this is the time taken for the 10 centimeters rise in the collecting tank. So that is 8 seconds. So in 8 seconds, 10 centimeters of water is getting collected in the collecting tank. Next, H equal to this 0.6 into 10. So 6 meters, right? So till now, so this will be our values which we'll get from the experiment. Nothing but these are the readings we are taking. 0.6 is the pressure reading, and this 8 seconds is the time taken for this 10 centimeters rise. Next, we need to calculate all these three remaining terms. So V theoretical is equals to under root of 2GH. So first, for the first reading, we'll calculate here. So V theoretical is equals to under root of 2GH. So 2 into 9.81 into what is the value of H we got?
6, sir.
Equal to 6. So this
10.8498.
yes. One point.
1 not, sir. 10.8498.
10.849. Yes, 10.849. So what are the units for the velocity? Meter per second. Because H value is in meters, we'll continue in meters per second. Okay, so the first table, you see the first reading, we got V value is 10.84. Right. So after that, calculate Q actual. So Q actual is equals to AH by T. So first we need to calculate area. So area already we have calculated. Area of the collecting tank 625 centimeters square. So we need to change this in meters because H value is in centimeters. So no need to change. H is in centimeters. At last we can change. So first. So 625 into 10 centimeters divided by what is the time taken for the first reading? 8 seconds.
8.
Right. So is equals to. So what you are getting
7,
here? 78.
781.25.
1.25. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Centimeter cube per second. So what we need? We need in meter cube per second. So what we need to do? What we need to multiply? In terms of meters, 1 centimeter equal to 10 power minus
10 to the power minus 6.
into 10 power minus 2 is per 1 centimeter. So if the cube is there, so into 10 power minus 6. Very good. So 781.25 into 10 power minus 6. Power minus 6. Very good. Now units becomes meter cube per second. Any doubt in this? So first 1 centimeter, we will get 10 power minus 2. So into whole cube is there. So 10 power minus 2 cube is 10 power minus 6. So Q actual equal to 780.25 into 10 power minus 6. We can write this as 7.8 into 10 power minus 4. No problem in that. Or we can write same as it is. So please tell the value what you are getting. 780. Just tell the value.
7.8125 into 10 power minus 4.
7.85.
8125, sir.
Yes, anyone tell correct answer what you're getting? 780.25. 780.25.
781.25 into 10 to the power of minus 6, sir.
Okay, 780.25 into 10 power minus 6 is the Q actual which you are getting. Next, after that, we need V actual equal to
781, sir.
781.25. Yeah? Yes, everybody getting the same answer here? 781.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have done a mistake. 781.25. Right. So now we need to calculate V actual, that is Q actual divided by A. So A value already we have, that is 0.785 into 10 power minus 4. So this is Q actual value. $781.25 into 10 power by A1. 0.785 into 10 power.
9.9522, sir.
Yes,
9.952, sir.
9.95. Point nine. Meter per second. Next, CV is equals to V actual by V theoretical. So 9.952 divided by 10.84. 9.95 divided by 10.84. Yes, what is CV value?
0.91.
How much?
0.918.
9?
918.
918. Okay.
Sir.
So later you calculate W theoretical. So that is rho A VTH square. This is what you got 0.918. Now this is density of water, so 1000 into area. Into what is VTH value? 10.8. 10.849. Okay. 1000 into area of this jet into V theoretical.
0.8478, sir.
Yes, what is the value here?
0.8478, sir.
0.847.
8478, sir.
It's wrong. Just check the value properly.
9.239.
9.239.
239.
9.239 Newton. So later you can calculate. Ci equal to W actual by W theoretical. So W actual is the first value which you calculate in the table in terms of Newton. So W actual in Newtons is 8.338. This becomes 8.338 divided by 9.239. Yes, anybody got the different answer? This one, 9 point. Same.
Correct.
And the value of this 8.338 by 9.231.
0.9024.
0.902. Right. So 9.239 and 0.9. Okay, so this completes our first reading. So these are all things we need to calculate. So just copy all these things. Those are not solved, just copy this. Later we'll solve the remaining 5 readings. Yes, if you copied these values, just inform me. We'll go for the second reading. Shall we start with the second reading? Okay, so what I said in the second reading, we are going to add 100 grams load extra for the already existing self load. So what is the load becomes? 850 plus 100. So 950 grams will be our load acting. Now you need to convert this in terms of newtons. So what we need to do, first convert that in terms of kgs. So 0.95 kg into 9.81. 0.95 into 9.81. So what is the value?
9.3195.
9.3195.
3195.
So this is in Newton. Next, so pressure reading which you are getting in the second one is 0.7. So next H value is 10 centimeters. So time taken for this is 7.6 seconds. This becomes 7. Okay, so please others you calculate. Randomly I will ask you, you need to calculate and tell me the value of this. Okay, so next calculate B theoretical is equals to under root of 2G into root H. So root of 2 into 9.81 into 7. Calculated, I will ask to someone. 378 Pranav Teja. 378 Pranav Teja. Those are not replying, absent for them. I'll put absent. Okay. Next. 361. Anvesh. Yes, please calculate V theoretical value.
Eleven point
11.71.
71.
Okay, Anish. Next, Avinash, 364. You need to calculate the next Q actual, HA by T. Yes, Avinash, please
Doing,
reply.
doing, sir.
Okay, do it.
$822.368 into 10 power minus 6.
10 power minus 6. 822.36.
8.
368, huh? Okay, no problem. 822.36 into 10 power minus 6. Next, V actual equal to Q actual divided by area of jet. So already I said to copy that area of jet. Next, Sai Varun, 367. Sai Varun. Next, Shashi, 366. Shashi, 366.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Sir.
yes. First tell me yes or no, then we calculate and tell. So V actual equal to Q actual by area of jet.
Ten point four seven six, sir.
10.476.
Yes,
Next, calculate CV. 373. Pranay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can calculate CV value and tell Pranay. So CV is equals to V actual by V theoretical. So V actual value is there 10.76. Sorry, 476 divided by 11.7.
0.8946, sir.
0.889.
894.
One more digit.
4, sir.
4. Okay, thank you. Next. Anil Kumar. 374.
Sir?
Anil. Yes, tell the
Yes, sir.
value of WTH.
10.78.
10.781.
781162, sir.
Okay. Next, Giridhar, 75. 75. Next, 76. Shravani.
Sir, 0.8644. 8644.
0.864. Okay. Next, for the third reading, again we'll add a 100 grams load here. So what the value becomes? 1050 grams. So multiply with first 1050 grams converted to kgs. So 1.05 kg into 9.81. Yes, anybody can get this value? 1050 in kgs.
That's right.
10.3005.
Much? 11 point.
10, sir.
10.3.
10.3.
10.
3, sir. 10.3.
10.3 Newton.
300.
Is 0. Okay, 10.3 Newton. If you are having 2 more digits, you can write there. What is audible to me, I have written 10.3. Next, the pressure from the pressure gauge, what we are seeing is 0.8. So again, 10 centimeters rise in the collecting time. Time taken for the 10 centimeter rise is 6.8. This is 8. Okay, so we have stopped. So next, 378 Pranav Teja. Not here, already finished. Next, 379 Ravikant. $381 Achut.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
12.53.
12.52.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 386 Neeraj. Next, 387 Gangaram.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We calculate the value of Q actual Gangaram.
Yes, sir. 9.11, sir.
91.
9.11.
9.11. Okay. Into that's all. No into 10 minus 6. Yes, Gangaram. Yes, anybody? 10 minus 6 will be there. Next value, V actual. So that is Q actual by A. 393. Yes, number 393. Anil, tell me.
So 11.7084, so that we actual.
11.70. Next, 396 Preetham. Next, lateral entry number 1. Raghuveer.
Sir,
Tell the value CV.
sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay. How much time you need for this small calculation? 11.7 divided by 12.52. Raghuveer. Next, Anvesh Rao. L2. Next, L3. Sirisha.
0.933,
Sir,
sir.
0.9351.
935.
Many of you are telling. Raghuveer and Shirisha said. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, L9 Sangeeta. Next value you need to tell. Yes, Sangeeta, are you here?
Sir.
Yes. Just reply me first, then continue the calculation.
$12.32134, sir.
3, 2, 1. Okay. Next, after Sangeeta. Jayant, 310.
Sir,
Yes, tell the value of
calci
CI.
not working. Sir.
Huh?
Calci not working. Calculator not working. Sir.
Very good.
Battery hours.
Okay, I think you can use sunlight also.
That's a old calculator, sir.
You don't have the
Okay.
new calculator.
Yes, sir.
So next, who is next? 12. Shoaib Ahmad. 312.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell the value of
1
this.
minute. $0.8359.
Okay. Next, Sairam, 13. L13 Sairam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we will get here? Can you guess? Can you tell what we will get in the next one?
1050 plus 100, sir.
So 1150 grams. In newtons, you tell. So first convert grams into kgs, then multiply by 9.81.
$11.28, sir.
11.28 Newton. Okay. So next, the pressure reading for the fourth one is 0.9, 10 centimeters. 0.9, 10 centimeters rise. And time taken for this is 6.37 seconds. 6.3 seconds. And here it is 9. Next, 314. Suman. Lateral entry number 14.
Sir, right, sir.
Okay, just reply me whether you are here or not. Some students just they are sitting idle. I think they are keeping their phone away from them. Under root of 2GH, root of 2 into 9.81 into root 9 into 9.
13.28.
13.28. Right. Next, Nitin, 315.
Sir.
Yes, tell the value of Q actual.
Sir, 1012.12.
1012.
0.12.
0.1 into 10 power minus 6. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, number 17. Sachin.
12.63.
12.63. Next, CV. After Sachin, Swarna Shri, number 18. Swarna Shri, number 18. Next, 21. Tanuj.
Sir.
Who is this? 21. Okay. Yes, calculate CV value. 0.
9.5. 9.5, sir.
9.5. Okay. Next. Tanuj. Is there? 26. Sai Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next value. you calculate.
13.844. 13.844.
And right. Next, Harshavardhan. 327, Harshavardhan. Next, 331, Kalyan. Next, last, 18H53Z0, Pardu. Next, 18358, Akash.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very easy, 13.8.
0.8147.
0.8.
8147.
814. Okay. Right. So we have left with the last reading. So again, we need to add 100 grams here. So it is 1250 grams. So in newtons,
12.262.
12.26.
2625.
Is it 12.26 correct only?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Audible voice was not audible. That's why I'm asking again. No problem. Okay. Just 2 minutes time is left for this session to expire. So just take a 2 minutes break and come back. Okay. Is it okay?